Okay, here in this case, when we get a question like this, here this is the patient name, this is the age, this is the medical ward. Only you have to no. First, when you get the question, you have to identify what is relevant and relevant point. The patient name, nothing is important now. You understood that you are working in the medical ward, and now you don't know what is the patient's illness or anything you don't know. In that case, go directly to the discharge diagnosis to understand what the patient problem is. From the diagnosis, in this case, we are not understanding what is the point, nothing, we are not getting any clue out of this. Then go to the treatment. Okay, then we got the idea it's a knee surgery patient. So like that you have to do in your exam also, because identifying what is the problem and consider the patient's condition and think in mind that what is, identify what is relevant and what is not relevant. So and this will be different from what you have learned, that's why I am telling my method. Okay, so directly I am going to the this writing task. So in this writing task, this is a referral letter, and you don't get much clue from here, only referral letter. Sometimes what happen is that they will be specifically asking for anticipation needs or any other points in that social needs and all. In that case, you are supposed to write that. If you are not writing, you won't be getting marked, because the task will be completed only when they ask for particular points, and if you are writing about that, if unless, until and unless if you don't write about this, your task achievement won't happen. Okay, so like that, keep in mind. Now we will be reading discharge plan, because why discharge plan, whatever written in the discharge plan will be important, because we are writing mainly as a discharge letter to tell like that what all you are supposed, they are supposed to do once they got discharged. So discharge letter, that point everything is important. Just learn, just read this. I will be giving you 1 minute for reading this, and if you haven't read, just tell me, otherwise I will be going further. I guess by now you might have finished this, so I will be going further. If you haven't read, just tell me. Okay. See, when we you have to keep in mind, even though if you are reading 10 letters, if you get time for reading 10 letters, maximum content we have to extract from that letter particularly. So there will be several points which will be common for all letters. So rather than studying or memorizing entire letter or reading several, like if you have 100 materials with you, reading 100 materials, utilize the one material which you have properly. Okay, so you will understand when you, if you read much more, that some points will be common, like suppose this physiotherapy. So several lectures there will be a physiotherapy associated point. In that case you are supposed to learn physiotherapy point. Okay, and likewise to be means future tense. So here when you write discharge plan, mostly it will be you have to write in the future tense, to be arranged for assessment. And moreover you shouldn't use the same vocabulary you have. If it, suppose if it is rehab, then go for rehabilitation. If it is encourage, here go for motivation. Likewise you have to change, rather than just copying and saying please inform local therapist, all those points. You have to frame this sentence. Along with that you have to use good vocabularies, because the good vocabulary lexical resource is a marking criteria. And if they find out your letter is just copy paste of whatever it's in the case note, then you won't be getting enough mark. In that case you have to modify the letter, or modify the sentence, modify the vocabulary, or you have to go for a synonym. So like that you have to do. See, when you are learning to be means future tense. Okay, now it didn't happen, it is a suggestion. Local physiotherapist to be arranged for reassessment and rehab. Patients general practitioners to be notified, they have to be notified. Please kindly note that, like when you get one notified point, please kindly note that, please kindly strictly observe that. Like that you can change. When you read a case note, you should have automatically have some sentence ready made. Then it will be helpful for you to write in the examination, because it saves your time. Otherwise you will be writing, rewriting, doing all those things, but you won't be able to score good marks. For monitoring and follow-up care, patient discharged to home with family assistant. I told physiotherapist point is a common point, family assistant point. So someone should be arranged, someone like daughter will come for picking up from the hospital, any other points. So assistant, family assistant is a common point. Learn some sentence for family assistance. So I will be providing the note, but you should be having a note prepared for yourself which you are comfortable, which like select 3 comfortable sentence for each situation, and then go for one comfortable sentence which you are sure at the time of examination. So when we write diet rich in calcium and vitamins, so sometimes related to food there will be a long list written here. So you don't have to write everything. Either you can go with the topic sentence, or you can avoid this thing, or you can write few rather than writing full details. Okay. Needs acute or comprehensive means comprehensive. All these words, when you are preparing for the writing, you expect that the same I can apply in the speaking section also. Comprehensive, comprehensive means detailed, complete rehabilitation. That is the meaning of comprehensive. So you should know the meaning. You can use the same in the speaking also. Comprehensive treatment we will be doing for you. The complete treatment. We will be providing the complete facility. Comprehensive facility will be provided from our side. So that's how you are supposed to frame your sentence. Okay. Patient has front wheel walker. Why? Because this is related to knee surgery. Wear support stocking for 6 weeks, and you should know how to write within bracket also. So by keeping all these things in mind, we will be reading the social background. So now I will be moving directly to the social background. Let's see where is the social background. So social background. See, if they are specific in this question, there is nothing we have to select from the social background. Suppose what happened, there will be one point related to diet, and then this patient will be from if patients has a habit of having food from restaurants, or doesn't have enough time to prepare food, then that point you have to select. In the upcoming questions you will be clearly getting what is relevant and irrelevant point, how to identify relevant and irrelevant point from the social background. Imagine for now, because in this case there is no detail, only you can select accountant, means which is an occupation. So you can mention accountant in your letter if you want. So mostly students won't be writing that. So if you want, you can just write that also. So what happens is that this is the long list. When you social background is the area where it is filled with unimportant, not important, significant, unimportant, unsignificant points will be there. In that case, what you are supposed to do is that just keep in mind whether this illness is related to. Suppose this is the right knee surgery patient. If it is knee surgery, then bone related point will be definitely important. Otherwise, if it is this thing related to discharge plan, anything they have to do, and then you have to come and understand, okay, that point is related to from the social background I can select. By experience you will be learning what is relevant. That is the first step in the learning writing. So now medical background is important. See, can you read by yourself? So again I will be giving you a few minutes for you. I guess you might have finished now. So whatever related to bone, again bone, knee, that right lower extremity, means extremity means the limbs. So in that case you can again pick this sentence, treated with ice. Sometimes this they will be writing specifically in hyphen some points. If you know one sentence like for ice application, then it will be helpful. This treated with ice pack is a common sentence. Okay. Then one point is like anemia. This is a knee surgery patient, and anemia won't be that important. Some disease related to skin won't be related to the knee surgery. In that case, you can just avoid this. So incision will heal, clean, right? Okay, you don't have to go. Gait instability is related to walking problem. Then you can select that. So here only the patient name and age is important because that is for RE regarding, and the discharge date is important, not the admission date. So, and sometimes it will be tomorrow return over here, discharged patient will be discharged tomorrow. In that case you can go for tomorrow's date. So patient medical history, so it's like osteoarthritis related to knee surgery, right? Osteoarthritis, bone spurs, because it's related to bone, it's a knee surgery patient, so that's the reason why we are taking this point. Obesity is not related to our knee surgery, so in that case just avoid it. Shingles, a skin disease, avoid it because it's not related to bone. Then impaired mobility and self-care, sometimes current medication will be ineffective, so you should know how to write that is ineffective. Okay, now comes to the medical background. We have cleared medication, so don't fill the entire sentence with medications. So you can write, see, some medicines they will be specifically demanding to be reviewed by GP. This tyrosine drugs is not related to knee surgery, but the thing is that it will be reviewed by general practitioner after 1 month. That's why we are taking that. And you can write few sentences, few medicine, choose few medicine names from here. But see, when you are writing milligram, you can write. But when I corrected one student, it's like OD. This OD is not looking like on, like that it was looking. So if your handwriting is not good and if you want put that dot over there, then just avoid it if you are not sure that you will do all those things. Now comes to the nursing management. In this case, what happened is that so nursing management. So you are a nurse. Nurse means what? Care. That care along with the medical knowledge. So when it comes to knee surgery, nursing management, everything like just like discharge plan, almost all point will be important only. Just read this. Okay, just read this and I will explain you. Okay, I guess you have read. So what happened is that, see, wherever that patient can't walk because of this knee surgery, you are taking that point. I told physiotherapy point will be important. Common point, patient anxious, common point. If you know a sentence ready made for you, it will be better for you rather than thinking at the time of examination. Supervise. There will be a supervision point every time. That patient won't be able to do any work by themselves, so they need further assistance. That assistant points will be definitely there. It will be noted like grooming, bathing, toilet usage, washing, showering, all those points will be written, but the idea will be same. So that's all about the question. So anyway, you will be provided with the material. In that case, you can read later this same question. Only 5 minutes it will be for you to read. So so see, whatever I have written like this, this is not a letter format. This is like I have explained whatever I am going to explain. I have already made to some point so that students can later refer. And this is also second paragraph. This is the explanation of the second paragraph. This is the third paragraph, explanation for that. So any vocabulary, so please understand, this is not, you shouldn't write all these things, only you are supposed to write this, because some students have doubt over that. That's the reason why only this is correct, this is other, everything in between is the explanation for the same thing. So write the to address here, there is no to here over here. You can write the date over here or date over here. RE means regarding Mr. James Brand, comma, the age or date of birth. Also you can write over the Richard Patton. So what we will do is that we will be striking this first name and we will be writing the second name and followed by a comma. So I guess I forgot your name. uh, I think one second, let me, because already this is getting record. Maria Joseph, Manju, okay. Manju, I guess you might have learned something new, different. So in that case, I want you not to learn this pattern, because I thought students also different pattern only. But still, will be explaining some other ways to write the exam. Means first paragraph. I guess you might have learned. I write to refer. I am writing to refer. I write to introduce. This might be the uh, explanation or the way you have learned, I guess. So I'm not sure. I will be talking with you at the end. So your patient, uh, okay. So rather than writing, this is the first way. Instead of writing patient of yours, you can just write your patient, comma. So patient of yours, no, don't, please don't write like that. Your patient, Jeremy Brand, has undergone. See, there is a usage of has over here. Undergone has been selected. Write total surgery, any surgery dash at our hospital. See, it's not in our hospital, it's at our hospital. At. Then another sentence is he is due to be discharged today. So discharge point will be common point. In that case, if you, there are several ways to write one. See, these are other ways to write same sentence I have explained over here. So there are several other ways which you can write the discharge point. In that case, if you are comfortable, go for this sentence. He is due to be discharged. In that case, it's B. B. Don't miss out this B also, because that's important. And mostly what I want is that I want your involvement in his post-operative management and follow will be appreciated. So whatever its grammar or anything important, I will be changing that to different color. Your involvement, your support, your care, your involvement in his post-operative. There is a hyphen between the post-operative. Management and follow will be appreciated. It's not would be appreciated, it will be appreciated, and there is a ed. It's not appreciate, it is appreciated. Okay. Your patient Jeremy Brand has undergone right total knee surgery at our hospital. He is due to be discharged today, and your involvement in his post-operative management and follow will be appreciated. Why I am stressing over here is that you should know the grammar. There is no much complicated grammar over here. Everything, there is one sentence with has, one sentence with future. At is the due to be discharged. B will be most miss out point. It, when you are writing due to be, there is a past tense verb 3, and when you are writing will be, there is a past tense ed. So all this keep in mind. I want grammar along with the proper lexical resource, then while I will be correcting your answers. So that's all about the first paragraph. So if you learn different ways of writing, just go for the different learning. Okay. Now, so I want you to read this sentence. So this before that, let me explain. This is the sentence for assistance, assistant for toilet use and showering. Same thing I have written in different ways. So why I am showing you that if you are learning one sentence, if you know you can apply in the future, just go for it. This is the same sentence, different ways they have written. So whatever you are feeling that is comfortable for you, just select that. I am giving some time for you to read. I guess you might have read. If you haven't read, just tell me, otherwise I will be moving on. So see, if you can assist her in her daily activities. It's not activities of daily life, daily activities. So unnecessary, don't expand activities of daily life. Okay, it's correct only. More than that, you can just write daily activities such as toilet use and showering. If you want, you can unmute and talk also. uh, Anyway, so I will be continuing. So I guess I am hoping at the end I will be anyway discussing with you if you have any clarifications. So it would be, it's not it will be appreciated, it would be appreciated. Again, ed is there, don't miss out that ed. You can assist her in daily activities such as toilet use and showering. Okay, showering, ing, shower, not shower, showering. Okay, so this is the common sentence. Supervision level, supervised level for eating, grooming, bathing. That was the question. So we have to change something like this. So learn one sentence. Now again, post-operative one point is the, so if you have used post-operative in the first paragraph, if you use post-operative here, you don't use the post-operative with the hyphen, then you can go for the second one, post-operatively, because you are avoiding the repetition of writing. So Jeremy post-operatively recovery has been uneventful. So this is a letter where they have used, see, first they used has, will be used. Now comes to the second paragraph, they have used has been. So grammatically, okay, they are getting the mark. Okay, if you know how to use has been and all, has been means past tense, and this is ineffective medication. One point was there in the case note. If you read again, you will be getting. In that case, to explain that uneventful has been returned, it's just a lexical resource. That's what. Okay, recovery is a good word. Post operative is a good word. And although you know, you might be knowing by now. Although is important. Like although, some students suggest say that moreover and furthermore they don't want. So go for another words. Although, however, in spite of, or even though, all those have same meaning only, connectors. Although his gait unstable, it's unstable, it's not stable. Still, even though his gait is unstable, but still he is able to walk. He can walk short distance with see, don't miss out this article, a and the. If you are missing out even a and the, it is wrong grammatically. A friend will walk, which he will take home. See, some sentence with which is good, some sentences with who is good. Mostly in the first paragraph which we learned, it's like who you can use over here. It is a good way to make a complex sentence by connecting two simple sentence with who. That's why that will be automatically changing to whom, means complex sentence. I don't want all those complex, compound, all those things for you. I just want you to understand, it is always better if you're writing some sentence with who, which, that's it, rather than studying grammatical point. Okay, which he will take home. Physiotherapy sessions. See, sessions, because of as there, that's why were has been used. Session was initiated, otherwise sessions were initiated. At the hospital, see, at hospital and the local therapist, it's like the local therapist. Okay, only one local therapist is there. Will be requested, will be future, then it is requested, ed is there, to continue his physical therapy. Okay, this is one paragraph. So we have used here has been used vocabulary wise post operatively. Okay, we are not repeating the same post operative the second time, we are going for post operatively. Recovery, good point. Okay, although we have used, okay, nice. Then that article, everything is there. At the hospital, okay, not in the hospital. Sessions were, okay, will be has been used. Like this you have to understand, you have to evaluate by yourself. So why I am teaching you like this is that at the time of examination, when you write everything in hurry burry and there won't be anyone to correct you. So if you know how to correct by yourself, it will be helpful for you to what happened to recorrect what rewrite or recorrect any mistakes which you already made. So because when we write something fastly, definitely there will be some mistakes. In that case, it's your responsibility at the time of examination that you have to correct yourself. During practice period, that is entirely different, but at the time of examination it is different. So the same thing I have been explained, the meanings, everything I have explained over here. So what is the another synonym for unstable? It is instability. Okay. Now comes to the third paragraph. In the first paragraph, what happens mostly, if you are writing who was admitted, in that case it is like it's showing that it's a past tense. Mostly the first paragraph happened at before or at the time of examination. The main purpose will be discussed in the first paragraph. I haven't written in the format now, but so it shows that you know how to use the past tense. And in the middle it will be during hospitalization or on hospitalization. In that case it will be showing that when you are using requires, at that time you know how to use the continuous tense. But in the third paragraph, mostly you are going to write what will happen at the time of discharge or just after, immediately after the discharge. In that case, we will be expecting future tense over there. So that's about the grammatical side. I will be explaining you. It's not Jeremy family, it's Jeremy's family. Okay, that apostrophe S is the okay. Will assist, will support, will further assist. Will assist at the time of discharge and their involvement. Their involvement will be necessary. Will be necessary. So we used will also, we used will be also, we have used will be necessary for his daily activities, not activities of daily life, daily activities, and in overcoming his anxiety and depression. Jeremy is on medication. See, when you are writing medication, there are definitely in the letter there will be a sentence related to medicine. Then if you know one sentence for yourself, what you can do? You can learn on medications. Okay, on tablet, on antibiotics, medicine, antibiotic, drugs, everything is same. So which should be? There will be one sentence where they will be writing RV or review. It's a common sentence. It's a common point. In that case, if you know how to change that RV or review, if you see for the first time, then don't think what I need to do, because we don't have time for thinking. We just have to apply. We have to, when we get, just plan everything, just find out the relevant point, just start writing rather than keep on thinking. So time management is important at the time of examination. So when we get a sentence like RV, which should be reviewed after, this is one sentence. RV we can change to which should be reviewed. Okay. So we used which also there, the past tense also there. That's why. After a month means 1 month. He should wear a support stockings for 6 weeks. He has also been advised. See, has also been. See, I want you to write. See, why you are not getting marks in the examination? You might won't be using some sentence with has been. Been sentence won't be there. So, will sentence, will be sentence. Please cross check by yourself whether you are using all those points for yourself. He has also been advised to follow a diet rich in calcium and vitamins. We just avoided the bracket over here. Whatever written in the bracket, there are several fruits or vegetables name. We just avoided it. That's it. If you have to feel like writing, no problem with that, but don't fill the entire paragraph like that. Your monitoring. See, it was monitor in the question paper. We changed to monitoring of his progress and involvement in his comprehensive rehabilitation. If its rehabilitation is a common point, then your monitoring of his progress and involvement in his will be missing out point. In his comprehensive rehabilitation will be greatly appreciated. Okay, so you can, if you want, this is what I teach, like learn one sentence from here, anything you pick up, you can choose anything. So, and yours sincerely followed by a comma and the